Your channel could go viral at any time. And when it does, you have to be prepared. But what must you do first to prepare your channel for its inevitable success? The best way to start converting YouTube viewers to customer is to find a way to get them off of YouTube and into a system which you can regularly communicate with them and share your offers as they become available. The best way to do this is to start collecting their emails. Don't worry about it if you don't quite know what you want to sell yet. It took me a few years to figure that out. But as I was figuring that out, my email list was growing. So once I was able to put out an offer, I had an audience to send my offer to. In this video, I'll show you how to start collecting emails to sell your offers.
Hi, I'm Wonderful Ida, an educational video producer based in Vancouver, Canada.
Your YouTube channel is going to help you drive more traffic to your offers and help you sell more. I've created a YouTube action plan to show you exactly how to set up your YouTube channel in less than an hour. Download my YouTube action plan now. The first thing you're going to want to do is create your lead magnet. So if you don't already have one, a great place to look is on Canva. Go into Canva and you can type in workbook. So you can see as you scroll through these, a lot of these are even available on the free account, so you don't necessarily need the pro account. You can see this one has it available right in there. And you're looking for something that has a few pages in it that you feel that could solve a problem of what you want your YouTube channel to be about. So say for example, on your YouTube channel, you talk about how to style hair. And if you're creating a workbook, you can create a workbook maybe of styling products and styling equipment. So like hair straighteners and flat irons. I obviously don't know enough about this topic to really dive into it, but it's a great way for you to get started. So think about something that is related to your channel that could help other people, and that's an easy win-win for both of you. Basically, just look through here and find a design that you like and start to fill in what you think would be important. So a lot of these are like to-do list organizing things. Some of them have questions in it. Just look and find something that resonates with you and that you feel that could help your ideal client get a good result. Once you have your workbook created, you can just save it onto your computer, and you need to have a system that allows you to collect emails. A lot of the email providers will ask you to pay for the services, and you usually have to pay depending on how many subscribers or followers or email addresses you have on your email list. But if you're just getting started and you're not sending out emails regularly, you probably don't want to pay a monthly fee because you haven't quite yet figured it out. For me personally, I used a free email provider for a very long time, just getting all the different emails, and then once I was ready, I signed up for a paid one. And since then, I've actually moved between a few different mail subscription companies. So it doesn't mean that once you sign up for one, you have to keep that one. Once you sign up for one, you can always move to another, because what you can do is you can export your list, import it to whatever new software you're using, and go from there. So as you don't know anything, it's best just to stick with something that's free, and as you get better, you're gonna see what you need, and then you can improve and upgrade your email provider. So the good one to start with, if you're looking to get it free, is MailChimp. You can see here, MailChimp has a free plan, and it's going to allow you to send up to 2,500 emails a month. So you could also start emailing your list. It allows you to have one user. So what you're looking for is you want to make sure that whatever one you do go for, it includes forms and landing pages. What this does is it allows you to have a form to fill in, collect that email in exchange for the downloadable, the freebie that you've said that you're going to deliver. And the last thing to do is to put that link into your YouTube account. You can be in your YouTube channel, and you can click customize channel right here. In customize channel, I'm just gonna skip over to basic info, And then you can scroll down here and you can see you have your channel links available right here. So custom channel link, I have one here. I would suggest making it your first channel link so it's the first one that they click on. And then creating a banner which kind of gets them wanting to get that lead magnet, because you see once you have that first link, it's going to appear right there. And then I suggest doing some kind of arrow or some kind of picture of your freebie, just so making it more enticing so that they're more likely to click on it. If you want to learn how to make that banner, this is before I updated my banner. I also do have a video showing how I'm going to update my banner to add that link into it. So I hope that this gives you a basic overview of what to expect and what to put forward when creating a freebie or something that starts to collect emails for you on your YouTube channel. Your YouTube channel is going to help you drive more traffic to your offers and help you sell more. Download my YouTube action plan now. And remember, messy action is always better than no action. Till next time. Peace.